Welcome to my channel. Please, today we are going to study about how to make money online strategies. So some of strategies that you can make money online. There are a lot of ways that you can earn or make money online. You see, there are a lot of ways that you can make money online. Method 1 is start a YouTube channel. Method 2, start a blogger. There are a lot of ways to make money online. So today I'm going to take you through strategy 1. So method 1 say start YouTube channel. So let's see what it talks about. So tip 1, start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is the easiest and you won't need any money. So in this stage, starting a YouTube channel doesn't involve in payment before you can release any video. It is free. You can upload video on YouTube without costing. YouTube star PewDiePie earned $12 million in 2017 running a single YouTube channel. You can see be as successful as him. So YouTube, you can earn, you can gain money, you can successfully earn money on YouTube by creating a YouTube channel and doing what is necessary to do. So I say great for people who love creating videos, talking about a video, shooting documentaries or short films. So if you are a type of people loving creative videos, you love to create videos or talk about video or shooting documentary or some short videos, films, you can create a YouTube video. It's best platform for you to earn money. So let's continue. Also, skill set needed. Also, knowing how to create videos using software tools or record a video using mobile phone or camcorder. So this is what is it. Time required. You can start within minutes. Just visit youtube.com, create a channel and upload a video. So it's just simple. Just visit youtube.com or download the YouTube app, create a channel, then start uploading videos. Okay, so let's go to the process or the tips before you can do that. Also, create a YouTube channel with a specific terms such as humor, tutorial, or recipe, etc. If you love gadgets, you can create a gadget review channel where you review the latest gadgets and help people decide whether it is the right choice for them. Analyze other videos to your topics. See how many views those videos get. It will help you to get an overview of how many people are interested in your theme. So after you have complete creating your YouTube channel, you want to upload a video. Depend on the topic you want to create a video about. You have to search the same topic and see the videos out there, how they are performing, how their viewers, how they view, total amount of viewers, You see total amount of viewers. So if there are a lot of people searching out for that topics, it is good. Then it is important to watch that video or content of that video. If they are missing some content, then you add up to yours so that you can gain more of viewers. Let's continue to number 3. Generally, the more the viewers, the more beneficial the term is, since more people are searching for it. Number 4, I say check if there is any concept missing in the current existing video related to your term. You can cover this concept in your video to fetch more viewers. As I said already, the content in that video, if there is some mistakes or some things that are missing in that video, you can add it to yours so that you can get more. Okay, yeah. So let's continue to number 5. I say be active and engage with your audience. Stay the comments you get on your videos. Learn the hidden expectations that your audience has from you. So after you have uploaded the video, you have to study the comments. What your audience are talking about, what they want you to say in the video. So it is very important to check your comments. Yes, it is very important to check your comments. So anytime you upload video, check the comments, what your audience want, what they want to say, what they want you to do. Okay, then let's go to number 6. Try to find out what they like about your video and what they don't. Study which video gets the highest retention rate and find the reasons behind them. Number 7, spy on your competitors and try to model the things that are working for them, but never try to copy them. Always maintain your uniqueness. Number 8, always try to improve each new video from the last one, so that when you look at your first video after a few years, you should think about how bad you were earlier. That's good sign. It shows what you have improved. So this point, it talks about improvement. You have to make an improvement of your videos making. You have to make the second video must be more present, or like more better than the first one. You get me right? The first video the second one must be better than the first one. So in process of making your videos, you have to improve. You have to see an improvement. So also the equipment, the experiment. Never fear to try something new and see how it works. Experiments are the only way where you can find new and exciting stuff which can catapult you are way ahead of your competitors. So in this point, it's talking about experiment. You have to do experiment. Try new things, right? Try new things. But sorry for my reading mistakes. I'm not feeling well better. So if I made mistakes, please forgive me. Okay. So let's continue. You have to do experiments, more experiments, because experiment is better way to your solutions. So try new things. If today you do video, how to stay there. The next video you must do maybe how to prepare food. Try new videos and see what is working for you. Okay, let's go to number 10. Finally, collaborate with other YouTubers who are doing similar work. Learn their strategies and mindsets. Working together can do wonders for your channel. So you have to find some people were doing good work at YouTube. You get me right? Yeah, YouTube creators, so that you can collaborate with them, or you can learn their strategies and mindset, so that you can also apply to yours and grow your channel to earn money. Okay, let's do number 11. Have fun. Do the things that you love and enjoy your life. So sometimes videos you make, you must make a videos that you love. Maybe you love football, so do videos about football. Maybe you love travel, do videos about travel. Maybe you like studying, do video about studies, then upload. Okay. And end by, let's see, the general rule for earning on YouTube is straightforward. The more viewers your video gets, the more money you earn. You have to enable the monetize option in your YouTube channel. Settings, it's very simple. So all of this is how to make money online. So YouTube channel is one of them. Simple way: create your YouTube channel, start creating videos, upload them, then monetize them. But before you start, try to figure out some videos similar to your topic, so that you can know what exactly you want to do. Okay, so this is how to make money. Create your YouTube channel. Yes, create your YouTube channel. But please leave a comment. It is very, 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 very necessary and important to me. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think about and what you want me to say, or ask questions that bothering you. Okay, and please, to help me grow and daily update more videos, please subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up, please. Thank you.